This is your dating video. Okay? Say something. Oh, you're so cute. Yes. This is your dating video. What should I say about you? You do a lot of Twitter. You're very active twittering. Very pretty. Quite sweet. And you get very excited when I play lovebird sounds off of YouTube for you. But you'd like to have a real live mate. Yes, yes. Yeah. Can you see yourself? Whoop. Into your Kleenex box house. Yes. There you are. Yes, you've got your own apartment. Single female lovebird. Own apartment. Well, we'll see. We'll see if this video brings you anybody. And you've even carved out a rear window. You're so talented. There you are. There you are. But seriously, we are looking for a companion for this charming lovebird. So if someone has a spare lovebird, I think this lovebird would love to meet them. See? She says so. You gonna come over here? Wanna come over here? Wanna eat your seed stick? Seed stick? Nope. Okay. We're gonna say bye for now.